As Maya stepped into the bustling community center, the vibrant sounds of laughter and conversation filled the air. She spotted Amir, a quiet boy with a sketchbook, drawing in a corner, his head bent in concentration. Hesitant but curious, she approached him, her heart racing. "What are you drawing?" she asked, hoping to bridge the gap. Amir looked up, surprised but pleased, and began sharing his passion for art. They exchanged stories of their different cultures, finding common ground in their love for creativity. By the end of the day, Maya realized that friendship could blossom from understanding and shared interests, no matter their backgrounds.